Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and planning. This saves time and prevents surprises. Identify walls, floors, and the exact distance in meters so you buy enough cable. Once measured, pick cable type. Cat 5e is fine for 1 Gbps up to 100 m, Cat 6 if you want extra headroom. Next, choose the path along baseboards, through the attic, or under carpet, and mark mounting points for clips or conduit so installation goes smoothly. Now you run the cable itself. Feed it along the planned path while avoiding power cables and motors that cause interference. Make sure you maintain gentle bends. Sharp kinks reduce performance. Secure the cable with clips every 30 to 50 centimeters and leave service loops near ends for future moves. When you reach end points, terminate with RJ45 plugs or keystone jacks, and use a cable tester to confirm continuity and correct pair mapping before finalizing the mounts. Finish by connecting both ends and checking link lights and speed negotiation. You should see a solid connection and expected Mbps. If there's no link, reseat connectors, rerun the cable tester, and inspect for damaged pairs or bad crimps. Once done, make sure device IP settings match network. If distance or walls still degrade performance, consider a small powered switch mid-run, a qualified pass-through panel, or an Ethernet extender. This preserves throughput without rewiring the whole path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.